Well, I've completed my July-August 2026 reservations by train. I'll be using a 22-day global pass. Bought it on sale, of course, and even a little side trip to the Canary Islands. And is now the case making reservations at Eurail, no longer Rail Europe, noting that there is a German pass that adds Brussels, Salzburg, and northern Italy. You can get a paper version, which I use. I'll tell you why. And sometimes they go on sales. I did it. The problem with the electronic rail planner is you need a iOS 16 device, which I don't carry. There are, of course, discounts for kids and seniors. That's me. And those under 28 get 25% off. And first class costs 27% more. You get meal service usually, and 3 instead of 4 cross seating. And no surprise, regardless of whether you get a flexi pass, you choose the days, or continuous, it's cheaper the longer you travel. And I've thrown in my new updated list of country specific. Well, the on again, off again, now on again requirement for the far cheaper ICE travel from Cologne to Brussels, as opposed to the expensive Eurostar, formerly the Thalys. Well, I tried to do it as always in the oebb.at Austrian site for €3. Wouldn't take it, so I did it on the German site for 5.5 instead. We'll see the other one later. Well, travel from Brussels to Paris on the Eurostar, no longer Thalys, is a bit cheaper. Thence on to the other main Paris station, on to Lyon, and then from Lyon on to Barcelona. Taking the expensive with the connection early in the day, because it is summer, because the cheaper late in the day service would have got me there way after sunset. Then a couple of days from Barcelona to the Canaries and back, using my pass because it is valid on the regional Rodala service to the airport, and here the return now on the cheaper version from Barcelona back to Lyon. Then on to Mulhouse, connecting to Basel so I can go to Innsbruck, which was a change. Here I'll show you on the map. The original contemplation was to go all the way to Dijon on the TER service, Train Express Regional, long, laborious. And guess what? The change also saved me money. Some €20, and here I'm showing it. I did get a refund. Well, except for that $2 handling charge. Then on to Milan from Zurich, where I'll be using a regional train to go on to Verona. They had shown a direct one, never appeared. Then on from Verona, noting there are 2 stations, to the main station in Rome, Rome Termini. And then from Rome Termini up to Trento so I can connect to a oebb.at $3 reservation site on to Munich. Bon voyage, goeie reis, gute Reise.